What's up, everyone? This is your boy BG from Rakish Memories, and you welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You already know the name, BG from Rakish Memories. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about AI. I know you might have heard about AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is AI? I mean, personally, I call AI time no D. You understand? I call AI time no D. Yeah, time not really D, because these softwares are designed in a way to save creatives and a lot of people from long hours of doing something that they could have used like 30 seconds to achieve. You understand? So AI has come to stay, and it has come purposely to help us save time, long hours of sitting, doing so many things. You understand? So there's this particular AI I want to introduce to you as a creative or as a retoucher. You understand? It's called Evoto AI. And this software, what it does is mind-blowing. Trust me, you need it as a retoucher. You need it as an editor. You need it as a photographer. You understand? So let's get into it. So there's this question I've been asking: do you still remove pimples? Do you still remove pimples? Do you still remove blemishes? Do you still remove wrinkles? Do you still remove dark spots and all that? Then this tutorial is for you. It's going to save you long hours of doing all these things: frequency separation, dodge and burn, adding depth to a photo and all that. So let's get into it. All right, so this is Evoto. As you can see, this is how the software is designed, and this is a retouching AI software, and trust me, you need it. It will save you long hours from retouching, dodge and burn, removal of blemishes, wrinkles, dark spots, everything. You really need it if you're a retoucher, if you're a photographer, and it's simple to use. It's not that difficult. You understand? It's very simple. So let's get into it. So when you see the right hand side of Evoto, you see blemish removal, skin retouching, facial reshape, teeth touch up, eyes makeup, full body reshape. So let's go to blemish removal. So let's zoom in to see the details on MJ's face. Okay, so when I push the slider, the freckle slider, this is what it does. You see, it has taken all the pimples, the rashes and all that. So when I push it more, it's going to work more. You understand? So let's keep on pushing it so we are okay. I think I'll leave it here. So you see, this is just one slider. Just one slider. Just push one slider and boom, this is what is happening. So let's see before and after. This is the before. You see? Good. So the next thing is body blemish. So let's push this one too and see what happens. Still taking away blemishes. Let's zoom in. Now fixing oily face. So if the person is having oily face, you can just fix it with just the slider, and it will reduce the amount of oil on the person's face. But for now, I'll leave this one. Let's go to face, forehead, wrinkle. So we'll push the slider. It's going to clean up the wrinkle on the forehead of the subject. Eye wrinkle, I'll leave it for now. Dark circle. So when you push the slider, it's going to clean up dark circles on the person's face. This is smile line. If there is a smile line on the face, it's going to clean up a little bit for you. So that's a smile line. So let's move to neck wrinkle. So watch this. This is the neck wrinkle. I'll push it. You see, double chin. That's for the ladies. You can see most of them have this double chin. I mean, just right here. So let's move to skin retouching. See what, like, just look at what is going to happen here. Just look at what is going to happen here. He said smooth face skin. Let's push it. You see, and it adds dodge and bend. So let's maintain it around 50. Face skin smoothing. Look at what is going to happen. I'm pushing it, I mean, way further. So let's bring it back a little bit. And you see, this is body skin smoothing. Let's add it at least 50. And then this one gives a bit of, I mean, color, but we'll leave it for now. So this is our photo now. Before, after. And this will save you long hours from brushing, painting, and all that. Understand? So let's go to facial reshape. I mean, there are some of the things I don't think I will use it on MG. You understand? Maybe some different photos. So that is a photo for you. Try as much as possible to get it and save yourself from long hours. You understand? It really works. It really works. And this is not giving you the plastic kind of frequency separation. You can see pores in there. You understand? You can see there are details in there. It's not a plastic kind of thing. This is the before and this is the after. So get a photo and then start using it to save yourself from long hours of editing. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.